Hi everyone, welcome to my section, Cooking with Anna. Today we're going to prepare a vegetarian ceviche, and what we need is the following. Mushrooms cut into small cubes like this. Tomato cut also in small cubes. Finely chopped onion like this. Coriander, finely chopped. Nori seaweed, that it's like sushi, it's so good. Avocado, which we all love. Orange juice, lemon juice. Ground black pepper. Salt of grain or sea salt. And olive oil. We start by splitting our oranges in half. And in a container like this, we are going to mix all our ingredients, starting with the mushroom. Add our tomato, onion, coriander, and the seaweed. I'm going to add the oranges now. The oranges will give it a juicy consistency, and it will also give it a very rich and very special taste, which is exactly what we're craving for our ceviche. I will also add the juice of 5 lemons, but remember the measurements are not exact. You can put more or less depending on what you like. Now I'm adding the olive oil to give it consistency and flavor. Now we season it with about 2 tablespoons of sea salt. It's very important to stir it well because this salt is very thick. Add a pinch of ground black pepper and mix well so that all our ingredients and flavors are integrated. This recipe is for approximately 4 servings. It takes 10 minutes to do it, and it really is great. And it's ready. Now we're going to serve it. We can accompany it with avocado, and depending on your preference, you can eat it with crackers or with corn chips. And this is all for today's video, guys. We hope to see you next time. Bye!